Imagine a world where wind turbine maintenance is seamless and cost-effective. The BGB Vestas Mark 7 Power Slip Ring upgrade is here to revolutionize your maintenance routine, offering unprecedented efficiency and reliability. Discover how this upgrade can transform your operations and save you money. With innovative features, the BGB Mark 7 upgrade is designed to enhance and ease servicing and reduce downtime, making it a game-changer for wind service companies. Learn about the easy encoder separation feature that prevents slip ring damage. This design ensures that maintenance is straightforward, reducing the risk of costly repairs and prolonging the life of your equipment. Explore the benefits of the over-molded shaft, which offers durability and easy replacement. These design elements contribute to a longer lifespan and reduced downtime, ensuring your turbines operate at peak efficiency. See how the Vestas Mark 7 upgrade minimizes refurbishing costs. Technicians have experienced the ease of installation and maintenance firsthand, highlighting the practical benefits of this innovative solution. Understand the financial benefits of reduced damage and extended equipment life. By investing in the BGB Vestas Mark 7 upgrade, you're not just saving money, you're investing in the future of your operations. By upgrading to the Vestas Mark 7, you'll enhance your turbine's performance and efficiency. Join the growing number of companies benefiting from this innovative solution and take your operations to the next level. Contact us today to learn more about how the BGB Vestas Mark 7 upgrade can transform your operations. Together, let's unlock new levels of efficiency and reliability for your wind turbines.